Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Bai Li Jin Among Mortals, chapter 199. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Sisi and Bui. Sisi said to Sin Bui, I won't leave first. Well, these two. The relationship were getting better, especially these past days. Sinbui, she's trying to hold Sisi. Well, they're really sweet to each other. After a long day, finally the two of them already calmed down. Finally, Sinbui stopped teasing Sisi. Sinbui said to her, you say you love and family. Why it is a multiple choice question? Well, right now, Sinbui is trying to ask so many questions towards Sisi, but in fact, is the love of the parents. Sinbui is asking Sisi, but right now Sisi, she was really quiet and she is not speaking. It was getting late at night. The two of them finally already calmed down. Now, back to Muxi and Bai Lijin's house. The two of them are already in the room, preparing to go to sleep, but right now, they're still talking about each other. Muxi, I remember another important thing. Now, since Muxi was really curious, what's the matter? She's asking Bai Lijin this time. I became the god of flowers just to find you. Oh, it turns out, after being reborn, be able to find Muxi. Since she already has a flower, I am more like seeing the time than retrieving my memory. Oh, it was good then. Finally, by Lijin, she can really remember on what happening before. Back then, since she already has a high power, getting divine power, three realms have different paths and cannot be arbitrarily crossed. Well, so that's what happened before. I must find a way to go to the world, since she was really determined to find Muxi. That's why she really escaped the realm. There are only three ways. 1. Go down without even permission. I'm not afraid of being punished. Let me go back to the world. My current mana, I can cross the barrier at all. Well, by Li Jin. So what is the path she's been through to get through past the world this time? The second is to demoted to the mortal. If I don't care, the fish will be eaten up by me. Oh, this girl. She was really a glutton back then. After eating so many fish, I really can't eat it. No one's questioned her, but still, she didn't go to the real world. But today, Baiwas Ancients took the flower god to the world to pray for the blessing. That's great, I want to go to the world too. So, Bai Li Jin, here's someone's talking about it. That's why she got interested, right? They're not going to play. You have to become the flower god first. How can it be so easy? So, hearing everything about it, maybe Bai Li Jin got an idea. So, she became a flower god. You became the god of the flowers. You can always go to the world in an open and honest way. Then, I want to become the god of flowers. That's on Bai Li Jin's mind before. So, this is it. How can Bai Li Jin attain become a god flower? But the selection of the flower god is only once in 100 years and it is not easy to pass. So, what happened? How can Bai Li Jin be selected? Well, she preferred the spring dance. It was really hard for her. So it makes sense. Elijah really worked hard just to get to Mixie. Well, it was really hard for her. Especially, she was too lazy, right? Ouch, my waist. What is the fairy sister doing over there? Seems to be practicing iron arm wrestling. Now, she's being talk of the town, like she's being teased by the other fairies. Back then, Legion, since you already have a high power of mana. What happened? Suddenly, did she become selected because of that? The tree is glowing back then. Maybe on that time, since she has a high power mana, she can easily heal the trees. It's really hard to dance, but I can help but practice. Back then, Bailey Jean right now, she was thinking and she was sitting on a tree. And suddenly she looked down. Well, did she really remember everything what happened before? That's why, on that time, she was seeing her real potential. Tried to release her power and said to herself, I must be a god because, well, back then, since she has a high power, she is thinking that she is a god. I have someone I must see. Well, on that time, she was really sure that she is the god and she was talking to someone. You like a high places? Well, because it can be seen far. Religion on that time, she was thinking hard how to become a god. Also, didn't you say you want to leave the village? Where do you want to go? You choose a place, I will take you there. Well, Violet Jean on that time, she was really serious. And she was talking to Muxie. I used to really want to leave the village to the town, but now the place I most want to go is no longer in the town. Oh, this is it. Muxie back then. She really changed her plan. And where do you want to go? Aren't you a little fairy? Use mind reading and other guesses. So it turns out Muxie back then she really want to go to the world. That's why by Lichin she was eager. Mind reading is difficult. I can do you one. Go to the capital. No. Well, Violet said so many things, but Muxie back then she hugged her. Oh, she's a little bit sweet back then. Legion said to Muxie, I'm not silly. Well, the two of them are laughing to each other. Also, they're being sweet to each other. Especially Muxie. She was hugging by Legion back then. They become really sweet. Well, although you can't guess, but already took me there. Oh, it turns out you want to tell her what you want to go. Well, Muxie back then is a little bit tricky. By Legion, the place I most want to go first right now is by your side. She was really tricky, right? She was really a sweet girl for Violet Jean. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!